की जनरल डिस्कशन ऑन बजेट कंप्लीट झाले.
See, I could have understood they could have suspended it right in the beginning, saying that no general discussion, nothing. But now that process has started. On halfway, can you suspend the rules and block the general discussion on budget?
अरे प्रोरोग केलं जाल्यार यू सस्पेंडर डिमांड्स ऑल्सो 1 minute स्पीकर सर.
Even House is prorogue.
इतले दर लिपोवपाचे आहा डिमांडूय सस्पेंड कर मरे.
Even House is
सर,
prorogue.
डिमांड कित्याक घेता?
कायद्यानुसार
डिमांड कित्याक घेता? डिमांडूय सस्पेंड कर. बरोया बेगीन.
की आपल्याक जनरल डिस्कशनाचेर आन्सर दिवपाचें ना म्हणून हांगा सभागृहांत सांगचें आमी एक्सेप्ट करता. आसूं आमकां नाका. लोकशाहीत मुख्यमंत्र्यान हें दिवपाक जाय.
Making such a mockery. In other words, passing this is like tearing this book of procedure and conduct of business into pieces and throwing it in the waste paper basket.
स्पीकर
हांव इतकें सांगता
हय
in BSc
कितें
BSc you have honestly taken
No.
decision.
नो
There will be no general discussion म्हणून.
नो
Record.
रिकॉर्ड कर.
It is on the record. It is on the record. They are contesting when they were present in the BSc meeting. They all are members of BSc. कित्याक उलयता? The motion is that
I am one of the oldest members sitting in this house for a long time. You are passing, just steamrolling everything. Just now there was no proper vote. Nobody said aye, nobody said no. What is happening in this house?
he said.
You said that in BSc we had agreed. In fact, I had given the letter of dissent, and it is on record. I'm sure that you should have put it on record.
हांगा नाटका फकत लोकां
Bhante Mashai.
इलेक्शन जवळ आहा
Bhante Mashai, I am
going for the object.
we have more.
आमी नाटकां करपाक ना ते येता नाटकां करपाक.
I am going for the object. Please sit down. Sit down.
ते करता नाटकां करता म्हणटा तूं. हांगा नाटकां करपाक येता आमी नाटकां करपाक.
The house is adjourned to 2:30 p.m.